Let
me tell you, there is no witchcraft. None of your mothers is responsible for your poverty.
Happy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, oh, motherful, my boyful, my tearful. One Namishramo, no beer for Shapa, and the American man is there, and now I will use a Radama Wadi Bia William, Yawon, and the Bia William, and Yafu, then shall Radian Party. Yes, you do. Nadia, Ewu Benyanka, or Sibra of one call in Chancellor, or Bawo about Benyan, or Sena, we knew more Perimedia. And so not Joseph for Warren. Just our Tennessee and Timoni Berman in Shia, who's only a Warren. Who will be the first say, Opa, no player, young
Gusua nanti free paga aba enkran modru eye tuabodom kakra no yesi police car edi na chi no abono eno kra be na wom
me cheche for
Agusua for mabeda na ASAMOAH odwine ho no na Mr President enso echirim se jaba ibo no emo mame bayi emo papa bayi na sanse me nyina emfaso bia eni so ebasa na refer to ye papa Stephen adonche bia na ensimo di tudwa se etu bia abayibo no edoso esei oman the workman utu breka efe paga abankran police for car edina china escorting carnival anamsa carnival say any was here police for nyabotre mabwansa na me de sem na ba besum sem ya besuna ade afi ebia enene da ode discover in channel na wa subscribe to the channel na wa share video na mani pampempem ensa akabi comment section uti chawadene nimdimu ene nyansemo yenko ni ntia sema John Dramani Mahama eka efa be isemo yiwia the workman carbon
the old woman is looking after herself. She's also struggling like you, and then you come and say she is responsible for your poverty. Whenever there's poverty and crisis, there's an increase in witchcraft. Because people don't tend to take responsibility for themselves. They must find somebody to blame for adversity. And so if they are not able to find opportunity, they are not able to satisfy their full potential, there's crisis, there's hunger and all that, they must find somebody to blame. And normally they'll look for the most vulnerable person in the society, and these are the poor old women, and accuse them of witchcraft. And so it's a direct correlation to the increase in poverty, the increase in accusations of witchcraft. But look, let me tell you, there is no witchcraft. None of your mothers is responsible for your poverty. The old woman is looking after herself. She's also struggling like you, and then you come and say she is responsible for your poverty. No old lady is responsible for tying your womb and you can't have a child. It is biological, it is medical. You might have a restricted fallopian tube, you might have some internal condition that is preventing you from giving birth. Your mother didn't fly in the night and come into your stomach and tie your womb, or she didn't go and take it to a witches conference and they cooked it and ate it. I mean, these are superstitions that we must kill. These are cultures that we must kill and kill completely. I've not looked at the anti-witchcraft bill yet, but anything that will protect these old men and women from being accused of being wizards and witchcraft, I think that is something that we must look at. The president has not assented to it. I don't know for what reason, but I'll find out. But I mean, I have been drawn to the issue of witchcraft because of my wife. My wife's foundation, Lodina Foundation, is the one that has worked closely with the Gambaga witches camp.
The workman Gusua nanti free paga aba enkran modru eye tuabodom kakra no yesi police car edi na chi no abono eno kra be na wom
Yo, me chechi fonso. No kura womu. Enya tuabodom bono man so a o headed towards tuabodom and incident in see. Na esi adwada na homache be 5:45 and see. Na
me ba cho confirm me say a police car and a bono.
Me pa chai police car na MI escort no. Eno ana bono.
Hey. Where ASAMOAH no show. Cheche me mu from baby incident no start here isi ene enei baby ye case na kudru boy enkomo Ghana fo nyina etio.
Me pa chai yo. The quiet and say you drew bono man so hono. Ya je ya home kakra. Ma ya you drew baby o je na home. Enti ya je ya home obono man so spend be wana e wo hono mo. Enti ya je ya o je na home sa na bi obe na emi ane na kakra na bi aso be didi ana obe no mu nsu ana wanom. Enti ye si so aye ko no. Be 10 minutes time. Ena omo you see, so now money or more commanders, Kasa. Most of the time, you know, say you take it off or more Emma reports. Ebia after about 1 hour, Nasa Unjina ya or Monoso Mutima report. Ijina some more report. Into a night, you so no more make it or more report to the penny for. Into us or more commanders, Kasano. Me so that time no na me so me guys now mo di kan no I go train o baby a mo be take live video na me dey meet police car ni mo me so me make some reports bi enti me hu ya ne say pine in fact
pine ne say na car na bono no pine no ye car na
bono na ma adwen ya me say a different car e na bono nti I was na car be su di enim kakra I was like bono nti me rashe na commander na the team name no police pen no so team name ni see form nti we see form no na che say kanti I shouted said yeah kan na bono nti na say order form ho no mo kan no fine na so kakra lucky ne say that day no she ne boot na wo de ekomika no sometimes no ti me say san she chele because I say I be ohana na ho hihye no enti but lucky for us no that very moment there no one chele dia enkenya asempa
enkaka ne yam ne nan nyina
enka be fa ne nan so kra because ni shoe no e hye no na ode ni jogging no eteye ni socks e hye ne te e ma ne kan ne nan
but Priscilla me share video ya eda ye Facebook no so a time bia the worker man e ko bia no I am who a distance of about 50 meters between ono and the car edina ni ma ye ne escort car no enti e ba ne say and at that distance dantem yet car ni timi ko bonus police ni no so wo ye den na o hwe den and I said drinkable offense because
I believe say negligence most of the time it's an more ahead because I remember say before Mokrano escort edi kama no guy ne wakaman kasa say sometimes I know back when mododo because ana drivers ni bi o especially ahomache no no ma brebre into no most of the time omra kwan ho omra pavement and I say in between the pavement and the road no because ana drivers ni ho monya papa. I think say wakaman so take that of us advice no this time no na car no born no one on pavement no one nam kwan
no on pavement no so na car no e call pavement no so ko born no
e born nti ase nhyele nim na gabo no so it mean lead to no it came at a shock
Asempa FM
because na ye man no me nim time I ben car wakaman no sa car no born no
wow
na ya nya lucky e born no so no ya Rashid ne ko to na person me take video or picture ba me hwehwe me phone hwehwe ya me hunu etina ye de timide wakaman tina ka mu me hwehwe me phone na me hunu to say yes Africa mu no na me hu phone no nti da hono de timi twa picture ne kakra and I call so Nanka more any ya more from one penny for be Emma or more share you call in a protocol because we were working with the police. When any power of a panel. So no, we were so lucky. More admit in the share and come. Emma, I'm not panning near you and who sent penny for Nibia Bahon and Abecasa so if you are fine. Now we were thinking, say, obey me as I ako. Initially, no. In fact, media persons are more friendly and they may catch your man and say, yeah, normal screening. You drew on a screening because now, meaning so bit to me, I continue and pass it back out. It's bear from foregoing now, they realize it and no. What come on to me, Nancy? Yes, I had no choice but to tell the truth.
But Muko hospital, no, say a DNA, I know, like Omka said, 9 baby abu, and I said, baby abu.
It was some bruises. And the two are saying, and they serious. I cut on the two are saying,
the two are singing a cat by
the patch. How can a second a 10 and 9?
Wow.
Initially, no, I must say, me no more aware say obey me akwa dey and come in cash no, they were very close with me. Na they me no mo din komo bibia fine. But akoba say won timi nkono na me ka che penny ba me friend say ye man ye work aka say ye nhwe no. Enya dey obey me ananti because otoguso. Enti media no so keep on calling me, so I have to tell them what has happened. The ultimate one me who say ne ya asesa. And I say, okay, meet me media no akasa.
Oh, okay.
From that very moment, okay, meet me media no akasa no. I say, omo ye say even a boss 6 kwana ko mo beba ho abehwere na de wo ho bia no ya.